Hello guys, welcome back to Bangia Mining, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing which is for Awair Element. This is an indoor air quality monitor, a type 4 monitor, and we ordered it on 20 December and today is 21st of January and it just came in 1 month. It's for £299 and free shipping delivery with Royal Mail. Okay, so there's some specifications on the back, and it'll tell you about the thing that it can do. And there's also a very sophisticated app that you can use for this, so you can understand the air quality in your home by just taking a look on your Awair score. So we're just gonna open this up right now. It has a very nice packaging, as you can see. So this will also check for like dust, how much dust in your bedroom or room or your area where you placed it, and it'll also tell you how much CO2 you've got in there. So we've got a Awair Element card there. So stay healthy, and its sensors are PM 2.5 and a load of other sensors. It has a get started menu to walk you through how to do it. So as you can see where it says parts, there's an air intake vent, and that's just the module. So there's also a power connector to this. So no, the little hole over there is the air intake vent, so it can check the air quality and the dust or CO2 in it. That's the charging cable. That's the power block. And then that's also just like an extension. Looks very nice. It's very sturdy and not plasticky at all. It's very. And next we have a tutorial on how to get through. So you want to get started by taking the wire out and connecting it to the power block, and by plugging it in there. So as now we have done that, so it'll turn on this like Awair badge. It has a white light showing you that it's going on and started. So this is just some make sure things. Make sure your device is within range of your wireless network. And what does each colour mean? Green means good air quality, yellow means fairly low quality. Alright, so you want to go on the Play Store next and download the Awair Home app. Now just click open. Okay, know what's in the air you breathe. Smart air monitor. Awair identifies the 4 to 5 key factors that determine your air quality and gives you, at a glance, you can see your air quality. Awair gives you a personalized recommendation that and proven to your air quality. Breathe easy. Awair also works with smart devices to automatically keep clean. So you'll want to create an account and write your email address in. So in that case, that's ours. After that, you want to confirm your email. You'll go to your email account and it'll show you you're confirming, and then you'll just click set up account, and then just write your first name and your second name, and then it'll give you some new updates for Awair widgets. After that, you want to hit the plus button to add a new device. You need to give permission required for Awair so it can set up its device. Click search network to connect to your Wi-Fi and find the module. Select your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and then just click continue. It should just take around about 30 to 1 minute, and then you'll select the place you are. So for mine, it'll just be my home, and I'll select my home, and I'll just select my room. And now you can just name it to whatever you like. We're just gonna name it home, and then just click continue. After that, it'll give you some interest. So you'll just want to see your interest. Just let Awair know to keep your air safe and comfortable. You can select the different interests you like. So I'm just gonna select general, and then just click get started. Click continue. It'll show you some other things. And then your Awair score. You can also change your Awair display by a button behind the module, and as you can see, our Awair score is 79. Now you want to click on outdoor and select your area. So as you can see, this is our area, and it'll show you your outdoor AQI and your indoor AQI, which are fairly good. Next, you want to click on time, and then you want to go through the different things in your home. So it'll show you temperature, the humidity, the CO2, and other things. I'll also show you tips on how to increase your air quality. And you can also connect it to your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. As you can see, our score's just gone up. And then you want to go to PlanetWatch. So you just want to click start. Now your license, we got a license type 4 and Awair Element. You want to click connect to Awair Element, write in your email address and sign in. As you can see, it's your account. Add your address and everything, and then just take up to 2 minutes. So you're gonna click view sensor. You're just gonna refresh the page multiple times and it'll show up. So thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. So this is a short video showing that the module's on, and the green light shows that you've got good air quality. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.